my journey, how Bluefine Foods came into concept, and how why I chose Momo as a product, right? So that they can get some idea about idea generation also. So when I came to Delhi in 2000, 2001, I was living there, and I used to miss a lot of Himalayan food. There was no availability, right? Himalayan food I call as soul warming, soul nourishing food, which is this जो आत्मा को तृप्त करे. It doesn't have to be momo. Okay, it is with lot of other dishes also. And एक जगह होती थी चाणक्यपुरी where they used to sell some thukpa and momo, which I never liked it. Okay, so बहुत मिस करती थी. And similarly that time I was working and having own challenges. इतनी सुविधाएं नहीं थी जितनी आज है. Uber, Instagram and social media, WhatsApp and so many things. हम लोग रोडवेज में ट्रैवल करते थे, गुड़गांव जाना पड़ता था. अगर बस मिस हो गई तो फिर आपका मतलब हाफ एन आवर 1 आवर लेट हो जाते थे ऑफिस में. So these challenges were going on. Salary was hardly I think 9,000 or something, right? So ये सब challenges के दौरान आइडियाज तो बहुत आते थे. आइडियाज इतने आते थे, बट उस टाइम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप नाम का कोई ऐसा प्रॉपर प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था. तो हमें पता नहीं था कि उसको नेविगेट कैसे करना है. आइडिया आता था कि ये चीज़ होता है तो कैसे करना है, लाइक मिस करते हैं तो मिलता नहीं है. सो मी एंड माई हस्बैंड लाइक ही यूज्ड टू टेल मी लाइक हम लोग कभी ना हर हाईवे में उस टाइम का थॉट के हिसाब से हर हाईवे में हम एक ढाबा या रेस्टोरेंट खोलेंगे जिसमें हेल्दी हाइजीनिक एंड अफोर्डेबल फूड हम सेल किया करेंगे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 20 years back. Okay, so that time those ideas were there where Manesar and Gurgaon was hardly developing also. But funds नहीं था, खुद तो challenges job कर रहे थे. And so then finally we got married and we shifted to Jaipur. And while being there, then he asked me to, as you said, that he asked me to go for MasterChef. And then वो क्वर्टी फोन ही होता था टिकट वाला जिसमें एसएमएस करते थे तो कुछ मैसेज आता था कि आपकी ऑडिशन के लिए आ जाइए. सो मैंने उससे पहले दिल्ली में ऑडिशन दिया था अंडर माय फॉर्मर नेम व्हिच इज यांगचन लमो भूटिया. सो आई एम अ भूटिया फ्रॉम दार्जिलिंग, राइट? अदिति जो नाम है मेरा फेरो में पंडित जी ने यहाँ अक्षर निकाला था. सो वन ऑफ माय ताऊजी इन लॉ गेव मी द नेम अदिति एंड एवरीबॉडी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी अदिति. So this is how the journey was. And he asked me, no, you have to go. I said, okay, I'm not going with any show baji and nothing, just taking my dish. If they appreciate and accept it is good, but मैं उसके बाद मैं कोई उसमें मतलब cannot do so much of decoration and plating and everything. He said, okay, we just went there. I was wearing simple salwar suit and then audition दिया. Then I had made omu rice. It's his favorite dish also. It's a Japanese dish. And so then they selected, they called for the audition to Mumbai. And Mumbai में boot camp हुआ, महापड़ाव का चक्रव्यूह. So every पड़ाव you had to cross the task and then you reach to top 10. So ऐसे करते करते 30 से 20, 20 से 15, then 10. Eventually 10 of us were selected. So during that journey in MasterChef India, it changed me a lot. The perspective about more about how I look towards other culture, how I look towards other tradition, other community or other geographical location का food. So I had a lot of respect during that, and I learned so much from my fellow co-participants because they were there from all regions of India. So Bengal se the, South India, Maharashtra, and so many very new names, new interesting ingredients which I never heard of. So it was a very good plan. We got trained also.